animals survive the desert? They dig underground
There's different ways.
because it is cooler than above ground. So that's how they stay cool. And that also will prevent them from being hunted by the predator, being preyed upon. Pretty cool. So now the kids are just roaming around and experiencing the desert life.
Ready, go. Let's go. Or just sit right here.
This
Val.
cactus is actually a slide. Pretty cool.
Head. Look, see my finger? Right up there. He's
The next animal that we see is the island fox. Pretty tiny thing too. They're about 2 pounds to 6 pounds. Let's find them. You couldn't find the fox being shy. It's probably inside the den. The next one that we're gonna see is the mountain lion. Let's check him out. Check that out. That's close.
oh, that's coming back.
That's a big chance.
Oh my god. Oh god. There's nothing there.
You saw it, right? It's right here. Oh, well, you saw him, right?
Hey, you.
Whoa, that's a big cat. Look at those paws. I think it's trying to hunt something. What does it see? See anything, bud?
No.
No? It's looking at something. Look at that.
We'll see. Oh.
That's a big cat. Little fact about mountain lion that I know. Are they puma? Are they cougar? Or mountain lion? Do you guys know the difference? Let me know in the comment below. Let me know. I know that mountain lion likes to be alone. They hunt in solitude. This is a caracal. It is a desert link. It's a big cat too. Not as big as a mountain lion, but it's bigger than a domestic cat. Wow, look at that. Ginormous cats. Compared to domestic cats, look at those ears. Big pointy ears. The next animal that we see here is a bobcat. Still part of the cat family, bigger than a domestic cat. Check them out. Oh, there's 2 of them. And the other one went inside that little den there. It's trying to hide. Bigger than and more muscular than, there it is. It's more muscular than the desert link. Still a big cat.
There's a bigger cat.
Whoa. Man, that's a big cat. Look at its tail though, it's so small. Cool. It's a beautiful, beautiful animal. See what we got here is a kit fox. Still hiding out there in his little den. Beautiful little creature, it's small. How?
Okay, wait. Look at
Maybe that's his cousin, I think.
That's
Here
his
they
cousin.
come.
Val, what do you think of the wolves? Are those your family? How like a wolf?
We just saw the Mexican wolf. I never knew. I thought there was only one kind of wolf, but I guess there's more than one. I don't know any much. It looks like reading up on the facts about Mexican wolf. Looks like they do have the same characteristic as gray wolves, and Yellowstone in up north. They do hunt in packs, and that's what they depend on. And they can, with the pack and numbers, they can bring down a larger animals twice, even triple times their size. Here they are. Here's the coyotes. There's 3 of them in here. Cool. A little smaller than the wolves, of course. And then, oh, actually, the gray wolves are bigger than the Mexican wolves. But they still have the same characteristic, the same look. So, cool. Wolf pack. They're all together as a pack.
Bye. Hold on.
Look at this jaguar. Jaguar, I think. I don't know how you pronounce it. But it's beautiful spots. So awesome. Big cats.
Is that a jaguar?
Mm-hmm. You see it up there?
Is that a jaguar?
Yeah.
It looks like a tiger.
Look at spots.
Looks like a tiger.
Kind of, yeah.
Beautiful coats. Bunny. It has been a great day so far. I like this little place. It's not too crowded like the bigger zoos, and there's a lot of cacti here all over. Beautiful. And then Sister Wolf here had a long day. Brother Wolf is pushing her. Is fast asleep. Very nice of Brother Wolf. Now we're gonna go see the desert tortoise. So let's check it out. Let's learn something new about the desert tortoise. I did not know that they hibernate during winter. And they roam around at springtime. Oh, something new. Cool. Let's go see if we can find them. There's one right there, hibernating in this little den, little cave. Cool. Well, we'll let them be. Let them sleep. Maybe we'll see you in spring, buddy. Well, watch where you're going. That was a fun experience. Sister Wolf got worn out, fell asleep. Did you have fun, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you learn? What did you see?
Animals.
What kind?
Every animal.
Every animal. Mama, what do you think of the living desert?
I liked it. I wish we could spend more time seeing every little detail, but it's kind of hard with kids because they complain that they're tired of walking. So, but otherwise, it was really nice.
Yeah, it was a unique setting, and they also have wild lights. I guess they have it on Fridays and Saturdays, where they have a whole bunch of Christmas lights and the whole place lit up. That'd be an experience. Maybe we can come here and try it out one day. What do you think?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
All right, thank you again for watching. If you have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe and give us the thumbs up and hit that notification bell. I will see you guys next time. Have a good one.